Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can switch Stripe from test mode to live mode. So let's get started. First, you gotta open your browser and log into your Stripe dashboard. Make sure your account is fully signed in. If your account is not yet activated, you may be asked to complete additional verification steps. This usually includes providing business information such as your company name, address, business type, and personal details of the account owner. Complete all requested fields and wait for Stripe to verify your account for live payments. Once your account is ready, go to the top right corner of the dashboard. You will see an option labeled View Test Data. Click it and switch to View Live Data. This will change your dashboard from test mode to live mode. Next, you're going to open the menu and go to Developers, then select API Keys. Here, you will find your live mode keys. The live publishable key starts with the PK Live, and the live secret key starts with SK Live. Copy both keys carefully. Now, open your website or application code where Stripe is configured. Replace the existing test keys, PK Test and SK Test, with the new live keys you just copied. Save your changes and deploy your project. And that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.